1, 2, 3, 4.
What is up? What's going on, Knuckleheads? Coming at you with an unboxing video. It's been a couple of days since I did one of these, but this one I'm actually I'm always super excited from. But this one I'm really excited about because it's actually from somebody that I've worked with before, done review videos before, so it's really cool to have a chance to do another video. He asked me if I wanted to do one, and of course I said yes. And who I'm talking about is actually, his name's Kyle Koster, and he works for Range Leather Goods. If you look back at my videos, I have a review of his DE safety razor and wallet that they made. Awesome quality, Horween leather, beautiful. It's still my go-to wallet. The patina on it's amazing. Here's the box as I got it. Nice and ripped up, and so who knows who else has been in this box, but we're gonna have a look. Got my trusty box cutter. Try not to cut off one of my fingers. So I kind of know one of the things that's in here, but it could be one of two things, so you're seeing for the first time just like I am. Cool paper. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, so first thing, a really cool Range leather hat. Maybe I should throw that on now because I'm not wearing a hat. These are available on their site as well. That's too big. Put that on. It's a truck style hat with a nice leather piece, Range leather on it. Really cool. There we go. We'll wear that for the rest of it. Next of all, he threw something in for my wife, which is awesome. A Wander shirt from Range Leather, really cool. Thanks for that. That's amazing. I'm sure I'll snap some pictures of her wearing it. Very cool. You see that logo on there. Really nice women's cut shirt. I'm sure she'll be excited about that. She's always wondering why I do these videos, but when there's something for her, I think she'll be a bit more excited. Now this is a piece that I've been waiting for. If you follow Range Leather on Instagram or Facebook, they've been coming out with leather notebooks, which I think are awesome. I think they're so cool. I do not have one, but I do now. And this is awesome. This is a Lincoln Field Note. So it holds an actual field note book, which is awesome, which it comes with one. Really cool. And look at the leather. So it comes in like dark brown or light brown, I believe. They changed it, modified it so there's a card holder and a nice pen slot. The leather on this is awesome. And of course the field note, you can slide it in and out, nice and easy. So when you run out of room, you can put another one in. Actually there's room, you can put something in that side as well. Wow, this is cool. Easily slides in and out the field note. Bingo bango. Awesome, look at that. You can see the stitching, all hand stitched. They have videos of them doing their work on YouTube and stuff like that. You should check them out. They have lots of great stuff. There's actually a bigger version of the field note, this particular one. It's called what's it called? The Princeton Journal, and it holds a bigger book in it. So there's that. Give that a check out. But this is just quality on this. It's unbelievable. Beautiful leather. I'm sure it's going to patina up nicely. Carry around. I'm sure I'm going to be using this a lot to jot down notes for my shave of the days and my other videos like this. So have a look at that. I'll take some more pictures there with pens and stuff so you guys can have a better look. But again, it comes with the field note 48-page memo book. Comes right with it. Awesome, awesome stuff. Thank you so much, Kyle, and the guys at Range Leather. Again, made of Horween leather. Beautiful booklet there. Very cool. Again, thanks for the hat. Have a closer look at that. Which will be making some more appearances in future unboxings for sure. And again, big thanks for the shirt for my wife. I'm sure she'll be wearing this. Can't wait to give it to her. She'll be pretty excited, I think. There we go. thanks again, guys. That was just a quick unboxing. Again, just beautiful, awesome leather there. See the stitching? Just perfect. Just so cool. Can't wait to get using this. And of course, I'll be posting my picture of it on Instagram and stuff as well. So again, thanks for watching. Have a great night. Cheers and have a good night. I said have a good night twice. I don't know why. Alright, take it easy. Peace.
Feel the television controllers. Looking like the body that can't hold us. Never show them your hand that can't fold us. Hold it in till we don't. Yeah, more brothers died and left shot in Iraq. So why we still discuss violence and rap? I disagree, you don't need a degree without a price tag for the mind thinking it's free. Every young author, I pray that you walk with, knowing you can touch the world with your craft.